Okay, so we're gonna check this, see why this thing has so much slack in it. And first of all, I'm gonna do is just check and make sure these are tight. Sometimes those will come loose. It'll give you the same problem. We're going to remove this boot, get this boot off of here. We need to remove this zip tie, and then to get the zip tie out of the way, we need to move this because it kind of gives us a little more room. We are going to make a little bit of an oily mess here. The hydraulic oil will come out of this a little bit, but it's just part of doing business. Going to make a mess. If you don't make a mess, you're not doing anything anyway. So we're just going to get this up and out of here. We're going to move it out of the way. Take our handy dandy pocket knife, and we're going to try to save that if we can. There we go. So we don't have to cut that zip tie. Maybe we can just pull this up out of the way like that, and we kind of look and see what we've got here going on. And it looks like we just have one bolt, one nut that's loose. So we're gonna grab our wrenches here, hold this on the back side, and then we're gonna tighten this up. And while we're here, we'll go ahead and check these other ones and make sure they're tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. Now we've got a really pretty tight joystick for being about 9 years old. So I'll buy that. That looks good. So now we just got to put it back together. I'm going to install this first. Sometimes these are my least favorite thing in the whole wide world to do because they are a pain to get on. We can take our zip tie, slide it down on there. It's just hard to find these really thin zip ties that are long enough, so we're going to utilize the old one that was on there. So that looks pretty good. Looks good, looks in place. Now we can go ahead and put the other parts back in. Drop our spring in there. Put our relief back on. And we'll tighten it up. So in just a few minutes, we've got a fully functional valve. It's not going to fall off or run on the job site. Hope that works out for you guys as well as it does for me. Thanks for watching.